Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your dream home in the serene community of New Harbour Village, St. Catherine. This stunning, fully furnished 3-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is perfect for families or anyone looking for a comfortable and stylish living space. With modern amenities and thoughtful design, this property is ready for you to move in and start enjoying life. Step inside to discover an inviting open concept living area that seamlessly blends comfort and style. The spacious living room is adorned with contemporary furnishings, providing a cozy atmosphere for relaxation or entertaining guests. The kitchen boasts high quality appliances, ample counter space, and elegant cabinetry, making it a joy to prepare meals. Each of the 3 bedrooms is tastefully decorated and equipped with comfortable beds, ensuring restful nights. The master suite features an ensuite bathroom for added privacy and convenience. One of the standout features of this property is the outdoor barbecue area, perfect for hosting summer gatherings or enjoying family cookouts. The well maintained backyard offers plenty of space for outdoor activities or simply unwinding in nature. Call today and make an appointment to view. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican, 55 million or US, $348.4 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.